Guys, thanks for watching, and please check back in next week along my journey to lose weight. I've lost 5.5 pounds this week. I'm keeping track. It was not easy. I did want to cheat and eat some bad foods. I didn't really crave the alcohol that much, and I've been drinking maybe 2 times a week. So I'm happy for that. But the food, it was hard. There were some days I really wanted to go to like Taco Bell or something. So check back next week though. My wife is gonna make some really good dishes for me and help me out with that. Also, I want to talk to you about this. I bought the Paleo magazine, and I subscribed for a whole year for this journey, and it's really cool. It shows a lot of like exercises, meals that you could pick and try, which we're gonna do, and a lot of meals, like maybe 10, 15 of them, and then articles, and then they have like different articles about different stuff each month. I think they send it every month or every 2 months. The other thing I wanted to tell you was, the cool thing is they show you different like superfoods and stuff like that you could take to help you on the diet. So, and then another cool thing that I found was this event, Paleo FX event, in April 26th to 28th in Austin, Texas, which I think I'm going to go. I'm going to be on the diet. Hopefully I've lost like 10 or 20 pounds by then if it keeps working like this, So check me back next week, and I really appreciate you watching me on my journey.